Hi, friends. My name is Miss Howard. In case you don't know me, I am a math coach at Willowbrook and Elmtree. And today I'm going to read you a story about the rainforest. And it's called How High in the Rainforest? Rainforest Animal Habitats. And this is written by Monica Davies and illustrated by Romina Marty. And I am just on Epic here. So let's see. Welcome to the tropical rainforest. Hidden in South America is the diverse world of the Amazon rainforest. Millions of species call this rainy place home. Step inside. The forest floor is the bottom layer of the rainforest. Here, the sun barely shines through. Because it's so dark, not much grows here. Hidden in the dirt are recyclers. Centipedes, slugs, beetles, and termites eat dead leaves. Their poop adds nutrients to the soil. So it kind of acts like a fertilizer for that soil. The forest floor feeds many animals. Meet the giant armadillo. Its claws are built to dig. Armadillos enjoy tasty meals of beetles and other bugs. Wild pigs sniff out bugs and roots. Small rodents find food here too. So these are all the animals and insects that you can find on the forest floor, that rainforest floor. The next layer is the understory. Here, shadows linger. Only a bit of sunlight peeks through. Plants must sprout wide leaves. This helps them soak up skinny rays of sun. What was one of those things we learned about that plants need to survive? They need that sun, don't they? So they have to grow these big leaves so that they can catch the tiny rays that get to poke through the top of the rainforest. Do you see lots of different animals in there? I do too. It looks like a flying squirrel, a grasshopper, spider, bird. Let's see. Red-eyed tree frogs may catch your eye. Their bright eyes surprise their enemies. They live here in the shadows. The humid air keeps the frog's skin moist. The shadows are also perfect for hunters. Jaguars crouch on tree branches, then pounce. They leap on their prey on the forest floor. So the jaguars are camouflaged. So when they are trying to hunt, their camouflage, their fur helps to hide them in the trees and plants. Do you spy some snakes? A hummingbird? Do you see the bat? Higher up is the roof of the rainforest. Here, tree branches weave together. They form a thick covering called the canopy. So that canopy is what's causing the sunlight to only shine through a little bit. The canopy is about as high as a 10-story building. Think about that. 10 stories high. That's pretty tall. Sloths curl up in the treetops. Up here, they chew on a feast of leaves. When they sleep, their long claws hold them steady. So that's why that's why sloths have those long claws to help them to hang on to the trees. Do you spy any other animals in this picture? I see some monkeys, a toucan. Do you see any fruit hanging in those trees? Animals and plants that live in the canopy are adapted for this high, wet layer. Leaves are shaped so rain drips off quickly. Animals that live this high can all fly, leap, or swing. Toucans soar past. Spider monkeys swing from tree to tree looking for fruit. Look up, way up. At the tip top of the rainforest is the emergent layer. Here, the trees can stretch up to 200 feet. That's 60 meters tall. It is hot because these trees get full sun. Up top, every day is different. Some days the rain crash down. There are also many dry days. These tall trees have small waxy leaves. This helps them retain water when it is dry. To live this high, an animal must be nimble. Squirrel monkeys are light on their feet. They can run along the thin branches. The harpy eagle perches up here. It can be hard for this bird to spot its prey. The treetops are too thick. Instead, it uses its sharp hearing. It preys on sloths and other animals. You never know which animals you will meet in this wet world. Macaws soar up high. Those pretty red birds right there. Iguanas hide in the trees.
Capybara.
Capybaras roam the forest floor. So many species live in this tall green oasis. So here, it's reviewing the layers of the rainforest, the forest floor, where we find those insects that are digging down into that soil, that dirt. And we see the giant armadillo, and then the understory, where we see jaguars and red-eyed tree frogs. The canopy layer, remember that's up there under those trees, the toucans and the sloths. The emergent layer, it's up above the canopy, where you see the squirrel monkeys and the eagles. Thanks for listening to my story today.